The biggest disappointment ya Finance Bill 2026 is the psychological betrayal of salaried workers who are promised relief after years of being treated like Kenya's most reliable ATM. Pay employees are the easiest target because their taxes are deducted automatically and they cannot hide income. They carry the burden of financing government while inflation quietly destroys their purchasing power. But sasa, expert from Suba amesema hata kama alipromise, hiyo ameshindwa kukeep hiyo promise. Sasa labda tujaribu bwana mkuu. Sasa utajua wewe ni servant, wewe sio civil. Kwa sababu zikienda kwa bwana mkuu itabidi ugoje for 6 months. Shida ni ile ile, huwezi elewa.